in such a time as this. And if you have not yet done so, please accept Him as your Lord and Savior. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you one and all. I appreciate you, I love you, and I need you. God bless you all. I thank you all. And until next time, walk good.